What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's going on, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I am your girl, TonyaNicole, for you people that may not know. How y'all doing today? I hope you guys are having a marvelous Monday. I am having a great day. As you can see, I'm in a great mood. And today we're going to be unboxing Glow Addict Beauty Box. One thing I can say about this company is they ship my box out so fast every month. That's one thing that I do appreciate and love about this box. So if you guys want to see what's in February's box, keep on watching, boo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, guys, welcome or welcome back. As I said before, I'm your girl, TonyaNicole. I still have not figured out a name for our Monday coffee days and our Friday tea days, but today we got Moscato, boo. We having a Moscato Monday, absolutely. And I found this little bottle at Dollar General. It's called Brightland's Moscato. It's notes of orange blossom and peach, and this is what the bottle look like, y'all. And girl, I love this wine. We gonna go on and screw this cap off. That's how you know it's good and cheap with the screw cap. We got our glass. We gonna fill it up. Now I know that it's early in the morning. It's 8 o'clock, but boo, I film in the afternoon. So I'm gonna have me a little Moscato. So if y'all wanna find this, I got this at Dollar General. It was like $5, y'all. That's it. Cause y'all know TonyaNicole and her bomb ass subscriber squad always need a what? A dance break and a drink break. Ooh, a dance break. Let me get me a hit. Oh. I promise, guys, soon we will be doing our Coffee Mondays and our Tea Fridays. But today we doing Moscato Monday and probably Wino Wednesdays too. Okay, guys, so as I was saying before, today we have Glow Addict Beauty Box. And yeah, we're about to just get on into them specs. We're going to unbox it and we're going to see what it do, you know? Cool. Before we do that, guys, y'all know I got to give my first 5 commenters a huge shout out for waking up early and tuning into your girl on Friday's video. Thank you all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my Lashy box unboxing. Y'all know that's one of my favorites. But to my 5 first commenters, I love you guys. I appreciate you all. Thank you guys for rocking with your girl early in the morning. Okay? Now, guys, let's get on into the specs of this little box right here. For you guys that do not know, Glow Addict Beauty Box is an $18.99 per month beauty subscription. You have to pay shipping and taxes too, I think. Yes, you get 5 to 7 products each month. Glow Addict Beauty Bag, that's $13.99 a month plus shipping and tax. And you get 4 to 6 luxury and full-size products. And also they have a skincare box that's $24 a month. I will put the link to Glow Addict down in the description box below. That's the specs of the box. And now let's get on into this unboxing. So we're gonna open her up right now, guys. Ooh, okay. So guys, if you do not know, Glow Addict does not come with a card. So I did already open the box so that I could see the products and get some prices for us so that we will know the retail value at the end of the video. And also I wanted to show you guys, well, I'll show you what they sent to me in this little bag at the end. So I'm just gonna pull from the box, and first up in the box, I see from Glow Addict, and this is some sort of loose glitter. Y'all already know I don't rock with the glitter like this. I really kind of wish they would stop putting these in the box as a product, you know, as a full-size product. Because, I mean, this is not really full-size to me, and I'm just not feeling, I don't like no glitter products. And that's just my own personal thing, guys. But I don't think this should constitute as a full-size product. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments down below what you think about that. And let's see what the price of this baby retails for. And this, my friends, is the Glow Addict So Fetch Fine Diamond Glitter. And it retails for $10. Okay. Up next, guys, we have from Beauty Creations these Unicorn Tears Liquid Highlighter here, and that is what the packaging is looking like, guys. I am not going to open this because I don't use a liquid highlighter. Even though the color is gorgeous, I think that would actually look really good on my skin tone. It's just that these make me so oily that I prefer powdered products on my face. So we will be putting this in a giveaway for you guys along with this product here. So let's see what this baby retails for. And this, guys, is the Beauty Creations Cosmetic Highlighter Drops, and it retails for $15. Let's take a dance break and a drink break real quick. Okay, guys, so up next we have from Glitters. And this is these beauty sponges here. You get 5 mini sponges in here. That's what the outside packaging is looking like. I am going to take one out so that I could see. And they are really teeny tiny, guys, like very small. I guess this would be good for blending underneath your eyes. I did see on their Instagram that they were giving these. I even posted it in my stories, and it looked a lot bigger on Instagram, but I guess it was different sizes. I don't know, but we got the minis, which would be perfect for blending out your under eye concealer. I wouldn't use powder with these because they're so small, and I probably wouldn't use these because they're small, but it'll be good for under eye blending. Let's see what these retail for. And this, guys, is the Glitter Full Sponge Kit, and it retails for $16. Now, the only thing I will say about this kit is that I wish they came with a variety of sizes. If it's saying it's a full sponge kit, I wish it would have had like a little more variety than just these small ones, but okay. Up next, guys, we got from Tarte, and this is the Tartist Lip Paint. And I have the shade, oh Lord, I don't know what shade, but this is what it looks like, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm gonna open it up. Doesn't smell like anything. This is what the wand looks like right here. And let's swatch a little bit on the back of my hand. Ooh. And it's this pink color right there, which will probably look good with like a liner. Or I don't know about how I don't know about this color. It's pretty, it's deep, it's nice, it's a nice spring color. So, I mean, even though I normally don't wear colors like this, I will definitely try it out just to see how it'll look. Matter of fact, I might add some to my lips because they're looking a little splotchy today, huh? Oh, I don't know what's going on with that lipstick. Let's put a little bit of this on and see. All right, that made a little bit of an improvement on my lips. I must say the formula feels really nice and creamy. It dries down to a matte, so I do like that. Okay, so we could rock with this as long as I mix it with another shade, I think. So let's see what this baby retails for. And guys, this is the Tarte Cosmetics Matte Lip Stick, and it retails for $20. And last but not least, guys, we received a palette. And this is from Trend Beauty right here, and it is a Glam Babe palette. Glam Babe palette. We're gonna slide it out like that, and let's see. Oh, girl, it comes with a mirror. Hey, girl. Oh, the colors are very pretty, guys. We're gonna fold it back, and this is what the shades look like. I'm not gonna swatch this one because I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna use it or not. If I don't, I'll put it in a giveaway for you guys, but the colors are gorgeous. Some of the names are Glitz, Chick, Obsessed, Foxy. Like, this is a really, really, really pretty palette. So I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm not sure of how often I'll reach for it, but it is a beautiful, beautiful palette. And let's see what this baby retails for. And this, guys, is the Trend Beauty Official Glam Babe palette, and it retails for $12.50. Okay, guys, so that was my final product in this month's Glow Addict box. I'm gonna show you guys really quick what we got in this package from Glow Addict, and then we're gonna do a recap. We're gonna final thought it out, and we're gonna be done, okay? Cool. I don't know if you guys remember, but last month I was supposed to get a free brush set with a 3-month subscription through Glow Addict, and they forgot to send it to me. So they did mail me one today, well, the other day. And this is the brush set right here. It's called Lola Love and Happiness. And here is the brush set here. It is a 12-piece brush set right there. I'm just going to say it's a free brush set. So it does retail for $24.99 because I did look it up, but I'm happy that this came free. Okay. Now let's do a quick recap. We're going to do final thoughts and we're going to be done. So we received from Trend Beauty this Glam Babe palette here. From Yaz Glitters, these 5 sponges here. From Beauty Creations, this Unicorn Tears highlighter drops. From Glow Addict, this loose glitter here. And from Tarte, this lip paint here that I'm wearing on my lips now. So that's 5 products for this month. Final thoughts. So for me, final thoughts for this box for this month with Glow Addict is, for it being an $18.99 subscription, I was just kind of feeling okay about the box. Y'all know a while back I did cancel Glow Addict because they had a lot of repeat products from Lashy Box, and I just wasn't really too thrilled with the products. But they have new owners, I think, and now I resubscribed because I see more promotions and stuff. So I was like, well, let me give them another shot. But $18.99 plus shipping and tax, I'm not really too excited about this month's box. Now, for the most part, the palette is a gorgeous palette. This lip paint is beautiful. I probably will put these sponges in a giveaway, but because I probably won't use them because they're so small. These 3 products here probably will go in the giveaway: the highlighter, the glitter, and the sponges, and I'll probably just use these 2 if I decide to use this. So 2 out of 5 is not really good for me this month. I don't know, guys. I wasn't really feeling Glow Addict this month. And the total of the box is $73.50. And like I said, some of these products, I don't consider this to be a full-size product for me. And it retails for $10. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think. To me, it was just an okay box. But for $18.99 a month, I think if next month is not a better month, I'm going to go down to the $13 bag. And I'm going to give that 3 months. And if I don't like it, then I'm just going to cancel Glow Addict altogether. So that's my own personal opinion, guys. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below on what you thought of this month's box. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn ones! To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give Glow Addict box for the month of February. Based on the fact that I'll use 2 out of the 5 products, I'm going to give them a solid 2 for this month. I don't think that the box was a total fail, but it just wasn't a box that had me excited. Now, you guys may like it, and that's cool. You know, I welcome all opinions on my channel. But for me this month, I just wasn't feeling it too much. So that's my thoughts, guys. I'm going to give them a 2 for this month. But I am glad that they did send my brush set like they said that they would. So that is a plus for me. So we'll give them a 2.5 for that, okay? Cool. So guys, that is all that I have. Please let me know your comments down below. Let me know if you think Glow Addict is worth $18.99 each month plus shipping and tax. Let me know your thoughts on that. Don't forget, if you have not followed me on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, you need to do so now. Subscribe to your girl. Go on and give this video a thumbs up. You know you like it. You know I'm truthful. Well, I tell my own truth. I'm going to say that. All of these opinions are mine, guys. And yes, so that's all that I have. I hope you guys are having a marvelous Monday. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And until next time, next video, I'm going to see y'all down in the comments. And on Wednesday, boo. Let me drink again. Ooh. I hope y'all enjoyed Moscato Monday, and I will see you guys later. Bye.